right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today I told you that we're going to actually be inside our Remix IDE, and we're going to be actually deploying this contract as is, so we can go ahead and get the price back for the Ethereum as we run our contract. First and foremost, let me show you the two ways that I ran it the first time, which didn't bring back any results. So I tried to deploy it as is, just like this, thinking that it was going to go through. So I compiled it. As you can see, it's already compiled. Let's compile again just so I can show you that it is compiled. Once that compiled, we're going to go over here to the deploy. We're going to hit the deploy button. Then we're going to go down. Then we're going to see here. We're going to go down, open it up, the file. We're going to come down, and nothing happens. So I figured it was something wrong. I had the address in the wrong location. So then I came here and I got this address here from the price feed or the latest answer. We're going to copy it. We're going to put it here in the add address. And then we're going to hit the add address button and see if that works. Then we're going to open up a new file. We're going to come down here and try to open it up. Got the price. Now something did happen, but this time it's still saying 0, so nothing happened. So we're going to get in and close these out. So what I had to do was I had to link my MetaMask account back to the remix, and then we're going to deploy it like that and see if anything happens. So that's the initial way. That's the way it's supposed to go. So we're going to go ahead and deploy. We're going to link our MetaMask. It should be linked now. There it is. I don't know if we're going to get a confirmation because we already had it linked. It should be linked already. Maybe that's why we didn't get the confirmation. It didn't come through. Let's open it up just to make sure. So yeah, we are connected. You can see the green dot here letting us know that we are connected. See, account 1 connected, so we are good to go. So now that we have that there connected, we're going to go ahead and deploy again. Well, let's compile one more time just to make sure everything is good. We're going to compile, get it out the way, and then we're going to go back to the deploy. And then I'm going to remove the address from out of here because we're not going to need it. Like I said, we didn't need it in the first place. I was just taking the wrong steps. So let's get that out of here. And then we're going to hit deploy again. So that should deploy us a new file. Oh, hold on. We have to wait for the MetaMask to accept it. I don't know why it's taking so long. Here it is now, the confirmation. It usually doesn't take that long, but you see it took a little while there. So once it pops up, we're going to get it confirmed. So that went through. Now it's deployed. There you go. You see our file just popped up. Now we can go open up our file. We can go down. We hit the get price. And as you can see, we have our price of Ethereum. Now keep in mind, because we're using a Sepolia, which is a test network, it's going to give us back the price of ETH at the time of creation of our account. So that's what the price was of the Ethereum at the time we created this account. So that's why it may look different than today's price or whatever other price it may have been before. But this is the price of the amount of ETH in the form of way. Of course, you can see how many digits there are, 18 digits. So this is the price of the amount of ETH that it was set currently, not currently, but at the time of the creation of our Sepolia account. So that's how we actually do it. So it's always important to take the proper steps to make sure we're doing things the correct way to get back the results we need to get back. So that's how we get back the price for Ethereum using our Sepolia test network, our MetaMask account, and our Remix IDE. But so tomorrow we're going to be doing some light reading. Now that we have that out of the way, and we also showed you how to use the static code. That's how we use the static code to get the latest answer, which is the price of Ethereum for the price feed. So yeah, now that we have that down, we can move forward. We're going to be doing some light reading tomorrow, so look out for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.